mani baba? Language. Okay.
As the point is worship, I represent the accused person. Worship, I must apologize. I was here early, but I wasn't able to come and introduce my name is Kristen Machi. Kristen Machi. Yes. Your worship, we do represent the accused person, and we are the church with the state. We are in agreement to the 22nd and the executive committee.
Is there any system board?
Okay.
Will you spread out the registration documents of Mr. Chandra?
Yes.
Everything is in order because he hasn't shown any documents to report.
It is.
What would be your language of choice, sir?
English.
Thank you. The state has informed us that they are charging you with the offense of
prohibited firearms.
the prohibited firearm.
Yes.
Or that will be contravening the provisions of section 4 or section 1 in the F Act 60 of 2000. That is, what kind of a firearm are we talking about here, Mr. Mbogo? What kind of a firearm? 9mm, a revolver?
9mm.
Thank you. Since you are charged with possession of a prohibited firearm under the provisions of section 4 of section 1 in the FX 60 of 2000, which also happens to be a 9mm pistol. What it simply means that the charge will now be read with the provisions of section 51 subsection 2 part 2 of schedule 2 of Act 105 of 1997 as amended. It simply means that should the court convict you of possessing this firearm unlawfully without the necessary license, or in your case it's a prohibited one, upon conviction the court is obligated to sentence you to 15 years direct imprisonment if this is your first offense. If it is your second offense, the court is obligated to sentence you to 20 years direct imprisonment. If it is your third offense, the court is sentenced you to 25 years direct imprisonment. Nevertheless, the court has a discretion to increase this prescribed minimum sentences of between 25 years and not more than 5 years. However, the court may deviate from this 25 years direct imprisonment if there are compelling and or substantive circumstances found either in your personal circumstances or in the merits of the case. You understand? Thank you. Now the state has informed court that you said you want to verify his residential address or his legality.
Legality.
The state has informed court that they need to verify your legality in the Republic of South Africa, which means that for now you will be kept in custody and be brought before this court again on the 22nd of July 2026. Once the legality is confirmed, then they will be given the opportunity to bring forth a bill application. Thank you.
Okay.
It's not only your brother, you guys look so alike. So, Mr. Mnitzi,
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Good.
What is it?
I was Rinan. So we're moving to. Sorry,
Yeah,
Mama.
just see which court we're going. Yeah, we're about to be told which court are we going to.
For the next assignment.
Yeah, for the extradition matter.
Oh, okay. So we just have to wait.
We just have to go into
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay.
I don't know the media. Which court is that? We must find out what's the case number.
Good morning. This is Mr. Monetsi, live from Johannesburg Magistrate Court. We are, yes, the person that I was talking to, like now, is the attorney. This is Mr. Monetsi live from Johannesburg Magistrate Court. I can confirm that Mark has just appeared in court, in court 16. For now, he appeared on the matter of, he was found in possession of the firearm and ammunition. Kana muchinzwisisa nyaya iyi ndeyekuti patikataura paye kuti paakabatwa akanga ane futi yaida kuzviuraya nayo, yaida kucommita suicide. Okay. Yeah, you see Tatora na Mama. Mama, she has made it clear that she doesn't want any statement. That is the feedback from the family. They've made it clear that they are not going to speak to everyone. Yeah, but in Japan, Sanguktora now. Japan Saktora now. Sagava told out they are not going to give statement to the media, but in Japan Saktora now. Say. So let me just give you a background of what is happening at the moment. The case is going to the first. Okay, Papa Chitama disturbance. Mongoita patient name. A lot of movements. That's the chitika. So. Zvangopa kuitika parish ndezvekuti Chris Apinda MuCourt. Sorry Chris, ndakanganisa. Sorry, Mark Apinda MuCourt number 16, where he's facing the charges of imposition of firearm and ammunition. Paakabatwa nemaporisa vakamuona ane pfuti yakanga inayo, and the pfuti yaida kuisenzesa kucommita suicide. So it was not only a gun and also the gun. Thank you very much, Olinda. The my guru wangu maidziva. saka so far vari kumuchaja ane ma2 cases ainawo kuno kuSouth Africa. There's an extradition matter yamanzwa ichitaurwa izvozvi. No, kune extradition matter, and then the next matter ichataurwa nezvayo icase yes. So pane extradition matter, pane impound of firearm and ammunition, the ma cases achona iwaya. Saka ye ammunition and firearm icha appear again kucourt musi wa21. Saka ndo yatapa kuita nayo ndo zvazvitarwa naMajor Street kuti because this case is very serious, the type of the firearm yakanga inayo inodhura. Saka not inodhura, firearm yakanga inayo iri one of the most dangerous. Saka anzina Major Street kuri kunzi abatwa nemhosva yake abvuma minimum sentence yanopiwa i15 years kana ari first offender, and kana ari second offender 20 years, the third one is 25 years. Saka ndo patasvika ipapo. Saka the matter has been postponed to 21 July. He was not given the opportunity to plead. Kana chiti to plead kubvunzwa kuti uri kubvuma here ndizvo here and so on. Saka ndo zvakaitika, ndo zvazvichiitika. Saka iya postponed kusvika musi wa21. But chandambotaura aideni ndakambowana mukana wekutaura nelawyer, chazotaura nawo futi. I'll be having an accessful interview to the lawyer regarding the extradition matter for UK. The information that I can confirm now, he's not objecting, haasi kuramba, and pachake iye ari kuratidza kuti ada kuenda kuUK ondotaura pamberi pedare kuti mhosva yandakangu yakaita ndeyei. He wants to give the side of his story in the UK court. So the breaking news will be he is not objecting kuti adzosere kuUK. Iye pachake ari kutoda kuenda kuUK kuti andopa side of the story. Saka we're going to hear from the lawyer kuti how quicker they can fast track the matter yachona kuti ichafamba sei. But the truth of the matter, he is willing, he is prepared, he can't wait to go to UK kuti andopa side lake kuti chichakaitika and so on. Saka pandataura nelawyer ranga achitaura kuti zvinogona kubatsira kuti extradition haichatora nguva yakareba. So we're going to hear from the court what deal are they going to do nenyaya yachona yekuti fast track, because he ari kuda kutoti anoende nekukasika kuUK andotaura nyaya yekuti chichakaitika handiti. Then the other case yandataura nayo, so that is going to reduce the term yanenge ari muno South Africa, and the options that are not going to be available, it's going to depend with the state and the defense. If he's willing, if he's not going to oppose extradition, would the state be willing to drop the charges of found in possession of firearm or ammunition, or they are going to drop them or giving him suspended sentence? But basically, this matter in a lot of vanhu vazhinji vada kuinzwisisa zvichabatsira. So I will come back to you guys again per second segment yeLife tiripo paJohannesburg Major Street Court. I will also be able to give you the side of the lawyer to speak on the camera. I know the family refused to the media, but I think on my side they will be able to understand. I'll be also following on the comment section kuti ndinzwe kuti mune mubvunzo yamuri kubvunza here zviri kufamba sei. But the breaking news is that he has formally been charged in possession of firearm and ammunition, and the matter has been remanded to the 21st of July for either bail application. They also want to check if Mark is legal in the country, so that the court may consider kuti anopiwa bail here kana kuti apiwe handiti. Saka ndo patikamira tiri panapa. Live from Johannesburg Major Street Court, I would like to say a good morning to everyone who is watching the live. We'll be able to give you the full proceedings of everything. May God bless you. We'll chat.